and more we're finding that project constraints and timelines are just becoming tighter and tighter. Our customers are being expected to deliver great functional design, but within budget. But that doesn't mean that they should have to sacrifice actually designing. So we wanted to create a plank range that had a colour and coordination story that fit within most budgets, but also with our Green Tag Green Rate Level A certification. We wanted to create a pattern and colour story. The texture itself in the product is what I would describe as a textured directional pattern. So whilst you can see the direction in the planks, there's this underlying random texture that gives it a more organic feel, which is in line with today's current trends. There's 3 designs in Fusion: Core, Connect and Compound. Core is the neutral base tile. Connect has the base from Core but introduces a coloured feature stripe which varies across each plank, and Compound is the full coloured plank but also has some of the colour from Core to break it up and to give it another textural element. The idea is that the designs can be used as a family to create blends and transitions, but they're also great just used on their own in isolation.
With Fusion, we looked at the designs and we started imagining how they would be used in spaces, and what we could really see was a really beautiful flow and a synergy that worked between the designs, almost fusing them together. So that's how the range was called Fusion. Core is the base, it's the foundation, it's the design that pulls it all together. Connect obviously connects the 2 designs together with a little bit of the core and a little bit of the colour. And Compound is the beautiful colour, and it's the bringing together of core and the colour into one.
We kept the base colours in the grey and charcoal family, but we went with 3 distinct tones in the carbon, the lead and the zinc. So you've got a dark, a medium and a light. We're not scared to use colour at Signature, so naturally we introduced some really bold, saturated colours into this collection, but we tried to give a really good variation of different colours so that you have lots of options for colour blocking and zoning in a space.
Fusion works really well with our other vinyl plank collections, but the wonderful colours and the bright colours work really well with the woven vinyl tiles. Fusion is a real all-rounder, but we've really looked at focusing at the commercial office space and the education spaces where they really have space to play with colour and design, and they really have the scope for that.
There really are endless possibilities with the way you lay Fusion. You can lay it ashlar, herringbone, double herringbone and basket weave, and by combining the different patterns and the different designs you really can create different looks from project to project. One of our favourite looks that we created was the double herringbone install, where we transitioned through all 3 base colours and across all 3 designs in 3 different highlight colours. The other wonderful thing is if you don't want to use a plank, you can actually order any of the colours and any of the designs in our 10 Shapes by Signature. This really is a collection that we think is super versatile and can be used for any type of project, and we're really excited to see what people can create.